Hello everybody. Hello to all my Indian friends. Welcome to my factory. So today we make chocolate brownies with soft caramel inside. So I'm sure you're happy. It's very easy to make in your home. And, so we start with the caramel. If you have a question, let's go. And here is live, okay? So for my caramel, I use sugar, 175 grams, butter, normal butter, 25 grams, salt, fleur de sel, milk chocolate, 80 grams, and liquid cream, 35% of fat, 200 grams. So I start my dry caramel. So I use saucepan. I put a little quantity of sugar inside. I don't put all immediately, okay? It's more easy to start with a small quantity of sugar. So I melt the first quantity of sugar in my saucepan. There you look, the sugar start to melt. I put little more, step by step. Don't mix too much, just little. No. So be careful, don't burn your sugar, okay? Because after you change the flavor and you develop a bitter taste after. So I don't mix too much, slowly. Up. Now I finish with all the sugar. So you melt all sugar, you look, it's very fast. You look the color with a spoon. Okay. It's nice color, brown color. You look on the top, you have a bubble and you stop immediately with the butter. I stop the fire. And you stop with the butter. At the same time, the butter cook and develop a flavor. and you stop your caramel. After you deglaze with hot cream. So it's very important to heat your cream, okay, before, because if you mix with a cold cream, you block your caramel. So slowly, be careful, step by step. So my fire is stop, and I go slowly. Okay. Now I restart my fire and I boil just one time for melt all sugar. Okay, so it's easy for now. Now I put my caramel into my bowl for cool down my caramel. I put my sea salt, so I use fleur de sel. Why I put at the end? Because I don't want melt all salt, I like test the salt. At the end I put my milk chocolate inside, so your caramel is hot, so the chocolate melt immediately. It's nice color. So you melt all. Okay. So now I put into the fridge for a few minutes because it's too hot for use now. So I put in the fridge. Hop, tu peux rester là.
On me demande si on peut mettre autre chose que du chocolat au lait.
So it's possible to use dark chocolate if you want. If you don't want to use milk chocolate, you use dark chocolate, okay? So for the caramel is finished. Now we start the brownies biscuit. I'll turn my table. So, for the biscuit, I use bain-marie. Bain-marie, what is that? Bain-marie. So you use a saucepan, you put water inside. After you put the bowl on the top, the water don't touch the bowl, okay? Because if the water touch the bowl, you burn your butter or your chocolate, okay? So it's a technique for melt butter and chocolate. So I mix together the butter and the chocolate.
On nous demande si c'est une option végétarienne, sans œufs, sans beurre.
Ah, this recipe you have eggs inside, okay? Next time I remake a live and I make recipe with no eggs inside. But today, excuse me, you have eggs inside. So for the chocolate biscuit, 200 grams of butter, normal butter, 200 grams of dark chocolate. So I use very dark chocolate for the good taste, good flavor of chocolate. If you don't have, my chocolate is 75%, is from Tanzania, but after you use normal dark chocolate is not a problem, okay? Eggs. So it's 5 eggs. And sugar you put with my eggs and you mix. So I don't mix too much, because if you mix too much, you change the texture of the biscuit, okay? So you mix just little, and that's it. Voilà. My sea salt for the end. Flour. So you mix little your butter and your chocolate. So don't boil too much. I don't want fume outside, okay? So I'll melt at 45 degrees Celsius, okay? Just too much. So with this technique, it's easy to melt, and you're sure you don't burn your chocolate, because if you burn your chocolate, you change the flavor after you taste burn is no good, you know. So with this technique, it's more easy. Okay. So you look, you are sure all is melt. You have a lot of part of butter is not melt. So 45 degrees it's important because if it's too cold, when you mix with the eggs, you block the biscuit, okay? So it's better to work warm because the fat of the chocolate block. Okay. Okay, now I mix with my eggs and sugar. Up. So you work very fast. Mix together. Flour, normal flour. So don't mix too much, just okay.
On nous demande quelle température devrait avoir le chocolat quand tu mélanges avec les œufs.
So the temperature of the chocolate and the butter is 45 Celsius. And sea salt at the end. My biscuit is ready. So now for today I use silicone mold, but if you don't have, it's possible to use metallic mold. So you put fat before, okay, because after it's easy to demold. So with that it's not a problem, it's very nice. Or it's possible to make a big one, okay. For today I make a small one. But it's possible to make just one big one and after you cut square. First, I put 50% of the mold of biscuit. With a spatula, I put the biscuit, c'est quoi les bords?
Side.
The side. Why? Because after I put my caramel inside and I don't want my caramel touch the mold, okay? So that's why I put the biscuit all side. I look all. Because the caramel in this biscuit is inside, not outside, because it's very soft. Voilà.
On me demande si au lieu du caramel, on peut mettre de la ganache au milieu.
Yes, of course, it's possible. If you want put ganache inside, it's possible, okay? It's the same technique, but you make a normal ganache. So normally it's 50-50, chocolate and cream, and you put inside. Yes, it's a good idea. So, my caramel. So, you know, just 2-3 minutes in the fridge, it's enough. And this caramel is possible to use on jam, you know, onto the bread, and you eat. The texture is very nice and the flavor too. So you put caramel inside, not too much, huh? Because after the caramel go outside if you put too much. Voilà. And after you close on the top with a biscuit. Oops.
On peut mettre de la confiture à l'intérieur.
So yes, of course, it's possible to use jam inside.
Jam.
Jam. So I use caramel for today, but ganache it's okay, jam it's okay, all it's okay. After, it's possible to cook now, but me, I put nuts on the top. So for today, I like pecan pie, pecan nuts. So it's possible to make pecan, hazelnut, almonds, peanut, when you want. Okay, it's already roast. and I put on the top. I push little for stick on the biscuit, but it's already not already roast, okay? I like nuts on the top for the crunchy. The taste is very good. So in this recipe you have three textures. The biscuit texture, the soft caramel, and the crunchy with the nuts.
On me demande si ça va pas déborder.
So the biscuit don't move too much into the oven. Huh? That's why I put maximum biscuit. It don't move too much.
Est-ce qu'elles sont rôties?
Oui. So the nut is already roast, okay? Because now we're cooking the biscuit. So the cooking is very, very fast. So in my oven, I put my oven at 175 Celsius, 175 Celsius for 8 minutes, because it's small cake for 8 minutes. For the big one, it's 10 minutes, okay? Not too much, because after, if you eat too much the biscuit, the texture is too different, you know? Inside, it just cook. It's very, very fast cooking, okay? So 8 minutes at 175 Celsius. So I cook one just before the video. So you look, it don't move too much, a biscuit, same. So you don't touch immediately, huh? Because if it's too hot, it's too difficult to demold. And after, it's very easy. And we look inside now. We look the caramel. And that's it. Now you look, the biscuit, it just cook, okay? 8 minutes. It's very fast. I don't want to cook too much the biscuit.
It needs to stay chewy.
So it's a very easy recipe. The taste is very good. So I'm sure you make in your home. You have time now. So you use just one mold and that's it.
Est-ce que tu vas demander si on a des questions?
So if you have a question, let's go now. The recipe is finished. Yes, it's possible to use jam inside. Huh? For today it's caramel with sea salt. because I like salt with chocolate. Not too much, but just little. The flavor of chocolate is perfect.
S'il y en a une qui utilise 300 grammes dans son mélange, à combien est-ce qu'elle devrait chauffer? Est-ce que c'est quand même la même chose?
So, you have the recipe, hein?
La longueur qu'elle doit cuire, si c'est à 300.
If you cook, if you make a big one, you cook 10 minutes. Okay?
Il y en a beaucoup qui demandent comment on remplace les œufs.
So for this recipe, excuse me, I use eggs, okay, for the texture. But promise.
Est-ce que c'est possible de remplacer par autre chose ou non?
For this recipe, it's not possible to change the eggs. But promise, next time, this week or next week, I make a recipe with no eggs. It's different recipe, but I make with no eggs. But today, with this recipe, is with eggs. So it's okay for today. No more question. So it's important to make now. Huh? Let's go. I want the pictures on my Instagram for looking your technique. Thank you, everybody. I'm very happy to contact you in India.
Tout le monde demande si le four était préchauffé.
Yes, I opened my oven 10 minutes before, okay, for the good temperature. Okay, I don't put the biscuit into the cold oven, so I start my oven 10 minutes before at 175, and after I put 8 minutes my cake inside. So, bye-bye. Thank you. Stay safe, please. Okay? And see you next time.